Hello students, for the measuring the elasticity, the percentage change in the demand upon percentage change in the price, or we can say the proportionate change in the demand upon proportionate change in the price. By this we can measure that elasticity. Suppose this sign indicates change. This is called delta. It is called change. So percentage or proportionate change in the price, change in the demand, delta Q upon Q, upon percentage change in the price, delta P, change in the price upon price. When we put here, this goes on the other side, this is inverse, equals to delta Q upon Q. This will be divided equals to multiply, this will be delta P upon delta P. Now we will put the deltas into one hand, equals to delta Q upon delta P multiplied by P will be here and Q will be here. So delta P upon delta Q into P upon Q equals to elasticity of demand. Suppose we take one example. There is a question. There was a question, when the price of the commodity falls from rupees 10 to 2. See, price falls from rupees 10 to 2. It means initial price was 10. Price was 10 and the P1, the new price becomes 2. The new price is 2 and the initial price was 10. So the change in the price is 8 rupees, resulting that the price, calculate the price elasticity of demand with the following schedule. The schedule is given here. At price 10, the quantity demanded was 100, and at price 2 the quantity demanded is 600. See, at price 10 the quantity demanded, demand was 100, this is initial price, and at change in that price, the price decreases by 2 rupees and became 2 rupees, decreases by 8 rupees, the demand also changes by Q1, that became 600, means change in the quantity is 500. 600 minus 100, 500. The demand change is 500 and price change is 800. As per the formula, if you put delta Q upon delta P into P upon Q. P is the initial price, Q is the initial quantity. So change in the quantity 500 upon change in the price 8 into initial price. Initial price means 10 upon Q. Initial quantity, that is 100. So 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 5 10 ja 50 upon 8. 8 1 ja 8, 8 5 ja 48, 6 ja 48, 2 8 2 ja 16, 4 6.25. The change in the elasticity is 6.25. It means it is more than 1. It is elasticity of demand is more than 1. So here the Q indicates initial quantity, P indicates initial price, starting price, first price जो थी. डेल्टा Q का मतलब जो क्वांटिटी डिमांड में चेंज हुआ, डेल्टा P का मतलब जो प्राइस में चेंज हुआ. प्राइस 10 थी, क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड 100 थी. प्राइस 2 हो गई तो क्वांटिटी में भी डिक्रीज हो गया, दैट इज प्राइस घटी, डिमांड बढ़ गई. प्राइस डिक्रीजेस, डिमांड इंक्रीजेस बाय 600. तो अब आता है कि चेंज इन द प्राइस कितना हुआ, प्राइस में कितना बदलाव हुआ. 10 से 2 हो गई मतलब 6 डिमांड 8 का चेंज हुआ. 100 से 600 डिमांड हो गई, इसका मतलब 500 का चेंज हुआ. दिस डेल्टा इंडिकेट्स चेंज. तो चेंज इन द क्वांटिटी, चेंज इन द प्राइस. फॉर्मूले में रखा डेल्टा Q अपॉन डेल्टा P इंटू P अपॉन Q. 500 अपॉन 8 इंटू 50 अपॉन 500 अपॉन 10 अपॉन 100. 10 upon 100, 500 upon 8, 10 upon 100 equals to 50 upon 8 divided, further divided 6.25.